Hello everyone. Today I'm going to try out the new wheat puller. This is from the company Fiskars wheat puller. I grabbed this one for $79 from Bunnings Warehouse. My first impression is quite sturdy. You can see that it doesn't look like any flimsy Chinese made product. And right here you can see at the end here, here you got like the 4-prong. This is where it will grab into the roots, and this one will help you to pull the wheat. So let's give it a try and see if actually it's work like it's advertised. So come here. So my garden is infested with a lot of cats here, so I don't want to use any pesticides. So let's see if it actually works. Pull down, apply pressure with your foot, leans back and pull. And once you're done, like that, let's see if actually do the job. Well, beautiful, look at that. Everything coming out, even the root. Beautiful. So cat seed works perfectly. Let's try with like thistle or like dandelion. So this one, let's try this one. Oops, down. Going back. Voila, this is amazing. Everything come out. Just beautiful. Let's try again. Wow, look at this. It's amazing. So in conclusions, I really love this product. I think this is one of the best out there for pulling wheat. It is a bit expensive though, but in my humble opinion, the price tag really justifies its usefulness. There's only thing I don't like about it is it's a bit too short. So from time to time I have to kind of like curl down. I don't like that much. I wish if they make it a bit longer, that would definitely help. I'm pretty short, by the way, so for my friends who 1.8 or above, this can be a bit of trouble. But nevertheless, it's still much better than curling, crouching on the floor and pulling wheat with your hand. So yeah, buy it if you think it's useful. I highly recommend it.